Honestly, I think that's the true nature. I've never wanted to be selfless. I think I've always wanted to be myself. So myself brings a lot of different qualities, lot of strengths, lot of weaknesses. So I look at a situation in the way I want to look at it. A lot of people look at it in a different way in which it is helpful for them. So I look at it from completely how a Sanju Samson would like to look at it. From the time of under 13 days playing for Kerala till this moment, I like to look at cricket as a team sport. So I think we play to win. I think so for that victory, whatever you do, that should be helping the team's cause. And while doing that, your private performances also comes up. So that's how I like to see it. And looking at what things have happened in my life lately, definitely I carry a lot of dreams with myself. So a lot of youngsters, a lot of people, not even in cricket, lot of in different careers, they look at me like their own careers, like their own life. So when they see me failing in the Indian team, they feel ki, okay, I think it's not possible for a guy from this place to go and achieve there. So that also kept on playing in my mind. So I felt that I need to prove something ki a guy from Kerala, a guy from Trivandrum can also go out there and perform like this in the biggest stage cricket has ever seen. So that's a responsibility which I was carrying. If I am actually going to the best platform and I'm failing, so people will feel ki namakku atharakke ullu anu thonu. So what I did recently, it gave me a great motivation saying that if you do it, 10 more boys will come up from Kerala dreaming that okay, we can also do that one day. So by God's grace, it has happened, and I'm feeling that a lot of people are inspired in our state and also in the country to do the same.